How to check CPU clock speed in Windows 11. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the CPU clock speed on your Windows 11 PC. If you're a gamer, developer, or just curious, this is an essential step to know your system's performance. So let's get started. First is by opening Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, go to the Performance tab at the top, which you can also find in the left sidebar. Now select CPU. Here you'll see CPU's clock speed displayed at the top right and also on the bottom. So as you can see, speed. This is the current frequency at which your CPU is running. Now let's move on to the next step by using settings. Open settings by pressing Windows plus I and simply go to System. Then go to About. Under device specifications, you'll find the processor section. While it won't directly show the clock speed, you can see the CPU model and look it up online to get more information about its base and boost clock speeds. Now let's move on to our final and third step using command prompt. Press Windows plus R and simply type CMD and press enter to open command prompt. Type the following command and press enter. The max clock speed of your CPU will be displayed in MHz. And that's how you can check your CPU clock speed in Windows 11.